Being in the Acapulco cliff diving championships against the Mexican team, you know, it's historical. Everybody knows about the Mexican cliff divers. It's like the Olympics of cliff diving, the Olympics of high diving, to be there. I started cliff diving in 1988. Got a call from a gymnastics buddy that said, hey, there's a company that needs a trampolinist and a diver to just do like 3-meter diving and trampoline, which I had skills in both of them. I learned to high dive in like 10 days. You know, I was never afraid of heights. Heights just never bothered me. The hardest part about competing was the fact that I wasn't a diver, so I didn't have that diving style. They spot everything upside down, which is so strange for me, you know, pretty much opposite from gymnastics. I entertained well over 1 million people using my skills. I can remember people were just screaming and stomping their feet. My manager said, it's because of your dive. They had never seen anything like that, you know? Being a now former acrobat means the world to me.